नमस्ते, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है।
When aches and pains are getting you down, relax and unwind with the Dr. Physio Shiatsu massager. This unique and stylish leather look massager is perfect for use wherever you go. With an included vehicle-mounted car lighter plug and a wall socket adapter, you can now experience a spa-quality massage anywhere, from the office to the home and even in the car. Easy to use and highly effective, the Dr. Physio Shiatsu massager boasts 8 kneading nodes that circle and rotate to melt away muscle tension in the neck, back, waist and legs. Simply position the device in your desired area and relax with the warm and kneading comfort of a professional shiatsu massage. The precision design and clever hand loops make this massager easy to maneuver, and the built-in cushion lets you lay back to relax and enjoy in complete comfort. You can adjust your massage to suit your requirements from the simple one-touch display. Turn the power on. Choose your kneading intensity, massage direction, and you're ready to go. For added pain relief and relaxation, you can turn on the infrared heating function for a warming and soothing massage that penetrates deeper into the muscles, promoting blood circulation, reducing muscle tightness, and improving flexibility. So, when you need a professional massage in the comfort of your own home, put your trust in the Dr. Physio Shiatsu massager. Get yours today.